This November, California voters will decide whether to legalize recreational marijuana use. It's an historic and polarizing proposition. And joining me now to give us a primer on Prop 19 is KPBS reporter Joanne Farian. Welcome, Joanne.
Thanks, Gloria.
How did Prop 19 originate in the first place?
Well, we traced Proposition 19 to Oakland, California, to a place called Oaksterdam University. And Oaksterdam is a university where you can learn everything there is to know about growing marijuana, extracting THC from marijuana, and also the politics and laws regarding marijuana. It was founded by a man named Richard Lee. He's been a pro-legalizing marijuana activist for the past 20 years. I had a chance to sit down with him and ask him why he founded Oaksterdam University, why he got Proposition 19 on the ballot. He told a story that dates back 20 years ago when he was involved in a serious crime, and that's what got him thinking that there ought not to be laws against simple possession of marijuana. So here's a clip of Richard Lee.
Well, I was the victim of a carjacking. And then the police took a long time to respond, and that made me as mad as the carjacking. So I started thinking about how the police were wasting their time looking for people like me instead of the real criminals, the real sociopaths and predators out there. And so that's how I got started in working toward ending cannabis prohibition.
So then people are going to the ballot on November 2nd. Some of them have already voted because the absentee ballots have been sent or the mail-in ballots have been sent in. So they're going to see what the proposition says, but they may not really read it. So what are the main components?
Well, there's really two main parts to Prop 19. The first is it will be legal to possess marijuana for recreational use throughout California. Less than an ounce you can use in the privacy of your own home if you're 21 or older, and you can also grow a small plot of marijuana, a 5 by 5 foot area. The second part of the proposition is far more controversial. That's the part that says cities and counties will have the authority to regulate and tax marijuana just like alcohol. That means if excuse me, if somebody wants to open up a pot growing factory, the city or the county can say, yes, we'll license that. If somebody wants to sell marijuana, let's say in a bar or a coffee shop, a city or a county has the authority under this proposition to allow that to happen as well.
So it sounds as though the marijuana policies vary from county to county in San Diego.
Absolutely.
I mean, in California.
Yes, it does. That's what this proposition, if it passes, will set up California as a place where, depending on the city that you live in or the county that you live in, you may have a different marijuana law. Let's use San Diego County and Alameda County as examples. Oakland is in Alameda County. In San Diego County, just weeks ago, our supervisors said no to Proposition 19, whereas in the city of Oakland, they not only support Prop 19, but they're actually just passed a law that will allow that city to issue licenses for large-scale marijuana production.
The vote will affect federal law as well or not? I mean, how will the feds deal with it if California passes Prop 19?
That's the great unknown, Gloria. We know that if it passes here, it'll be legal here. But under federal law, possession of any amount of marijuana is a criminal offense. You could go to jail for up to a year or pay a $1,000 fine. That's not going to change, even if marijuana is legal in California.
Okay, you're working on a documentary. When it'll be on the air? Tell us about it.
October 19th at 9 p.m. on KPBS television. You can learn more about this. You can meet a lot of the characters involved in this whole debate. And also go to our website, kpbs.org/marijuana.
Thank you, Joanne Farian.
Thanks, Gloria.